Folks, this is the morning garden. I got to tell you what's going on here. Look at these right here. And they're a little young, but I'm going to tell you something. They were not like this 2 days ago. They were not like this. I want to send a lot of thanks out to Food Forest Permaculture. This is collard greens, and they're growing in thick. I gave them some molasses about 3, maybe 4 days ago. And they are definitely showing off. This is another container. You got one here, and then you got the kale over there, and then this little container. I just threw them in there, folks. I mean, just see what would happen. And I'm telling you that it's a difference. They were not this developed. They were not this tall. They were not this leafy. They're pretty green. They're standing up tall and strong. And all it was a little bit of molasses. I mean, my goodness. Now let me go over here and show you in the other end of my garden what's going on. This garden being taken down for winter. And so I started feeding these molasses, and they started coming out of the ground. And these was almost at the seed stage when I put them in there. When I gave it some molasses. And then I'm going to show you something else. I'm going to show you some over here. And then I got, look at this right here. This is ridiculous. It works fine in this environment here as well. And these are collard greens, folks. These are collard greens, and I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna show you an area that I haven't given any sugar. Same time planted almost. Look how small they are. Look how small they are, folks. And these are collard greens. Almost non-existent. You can't even really see them. There's some there, and I'm telling you, I'm gonna hit them with some molasses, and go from there. Now, there are ants still on the ground. It's not cold enough to run them off, so I'm gonna use the molasses because the molasses are gonna keep the ants away. If I use sugar, that might attract them. I'm not sure, but my instinct is telling me to use molasses because that's what worked. And I go to Walmart and I'll hit a container of molasses. All right, folks. The area with no sugar, the area with sugar, and that's the difference. That's a big difference. Planted around the same time. All right. This is the Morning Garden Show. Getting ready to do his trees as well. They're gonna be hit with molasses. That's the pear tree. And again, I got it all over here. It looks like junk, but it's nothing but a food forest. And I want to be able to grow big cherries and grapes. And I think that sugar is the key. All right, folks. Thank you.